Jopuonj mago ma bende wuok imbo mano mar piny Kenya ogolo kata ochiwo kanyo ne duol mano ma bende ochung'ne ndiko jopuonje pacho kae TSC thuolo mano mar dwe achiel kende mano mar neno ni ywakgi obiyo rakruokgo kendo ywak makamano orumo chuth. Jopuonjgo ne wacho ni ka mano ok otimore to gibiro bedo ka gichungo chenro mago mag somo magisebedo ka gichiwo e sikunde mopogore opogore kata obedo ni ywak margi ok osebed ka iwinjo. Ne giwacho wechegi e sikund sekondar mano ma Kimilili ka otelnegi kod jagoro mano mar Kupete badeno mano ma Bungoma Augustine Loketelo, kama bende jopuonjgo mago ma bende wuok e counties kaka Vihiga, Kakamega, Busia kaachiel kod Trans Nzoia ne okoni gisebedo ka gidhi nyime gichiwo chenrogi mago mag puonjo kata chiwo puonj makare ne jopuonjre, to kata kamano duolno mano mar TSC osebedo mana kodino ite ne moko kuom midhiero mago ma bende gikalie kaka jopuonj.
Walimu tusilale, lale lale, walimu tusilale, bado mapambano, mapambano, mapambano. Wanataka kutumaliza. We are coming. Shall we are coming. And the minister we are coming. Yes. We are demanding our things to be achieved. Ensure the JSS teachers are supported fully. In mambo ya autonomy, as my brothers have said, its time has come whereby it will never be resisted. Last year kuwa achieved. Na walimu wakuu, the principals or head teachers of primary, wenye wanaitwa hoi, hiyo mashule ni ya serikali. Yes. Saizi mmeanza kusema ati wakiwa independent watakaa kwa shule gani? Mkikataa walimu kukaa kwa hiyo mashule, tutamfukuza nyinyi kwa hiyo mashule. Yes. Because even they can become the principals of the primaries, and even they can become principals of the JSS. Na sisi walimu wa secondary senior schools and kama union ya Bungoma County, anybody who resists what we are demanding for now, I want to say the strike is coming and it will be a real strike. Yes. The mother of all strikes. Yes. In this country.
Yes. The greatest threat to the implementation of CBE is domiciling JSS in primary. Because even our children do not know where they are supposed to be. Yes. Then when it comes to KSF, they are taken to join the secondary schools. When it comes to sports, they are taken to join primary schools. You are bringing confusion in the Ministry of Education. And you want to say that the PS, the CS must rise and say the time is now for teachers of JSS to be independent.
We all know that CPG has controversies, especially when it comes to JSS teachers. We are not sure where we stand because we are placed in primary schools. And so we want TSC to give a direct outline to align us with post-primary CPG because we are post-primary teachers.
The internship is illegal, null, and void. And therefore, this evening, we are asking the Teacher Service Commission that we have our teachers on internship, the 44,000 teachers on internship. You are not allowed to have teachers on internship. We are asking you, with a lot of humility, that can you convert our teachers to permanent and pensionable?
We know teaching is a noble profession and they should facilitate our teachers as professionals. Magos viva! Viva! Magos viva! Viva!